Have you ever wondered if fish die when lightning strikes the water? Are you terrified of fishing during a storm? Think every bolt fries the whole lake? Think again. Lightning can heat the air near a strike to around 28,000 Celsius. That's about 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. That extreme blast can certainly kill fish right at the impact. But when lightning hits water, most of the electricity spreads across the surface and doesn't penetrate deep. So fish down below are usually safe. Surface fish can get shocked or heated and die. Surprise! Not all fish die, only the ones near the top. Lightning. Deadly on top, safe below. Like and follow for more science myths busted.